Look around the country. Right? This country used to have independent institutions. This country had a press that could stand up and say anything it wanted. Right? Does that happen today? This country had a system, a structure, a legal system where it was 100% independent. It is very clear that the BJP is inserting, the RSS is inserting its people in all these institutions. It's very obvious. So you are taking away the institutional framework of this country. These institutions do not belong to the RSS. They do not belong to a political party. They do not belong to the Congress. They belong to the people of India. And you are subverting the will of the people of India. It is not that I have a problem with just the RSS. I have a problem with anybody who says that he is the person single-handedly who can determine the future of this country. I believe that the future of this country should be determined by 1.3 billion people. And what we have to do is we have to give them the institutions, the structures to make that choice.
It should be the collective will of it.
Yes, and for that collective will to work, you need to give them structures. So it is not simply ki vote ho gaya and it's over. A democracy requires a judiciary that is independent, a press that is independent, a legislature that is independent. Look at the Parliament House. We're not allowed to speak. I mean, to make one speech, we have to have massive struggle, and then when we speak, they don't allow us to speak, they shout. So the entire thing is to control the narrative, to control the country, and for the benefit of 2 or 3 limited people, and then the RSS.